questions on a screen. I will solve all these questions in just 10 seconds. Mean 10 questions in 10 seconds. I will calculate all these calculations in 10 seconds. You also calculate these types of questions in just 10 seconds. After that, I will give you some easy, simple and interesting method to find these types of calculations in just a few seconds. At first, I am doing these types of calculations. Write down the square of 25 is 625, square of 35 is 1225, square of 45 2025, square of 55 3025 and square of 65 4225. And rest one 47 to 43 2021 3024 4221 5624 9021. You see that I will solve all these questions in just 10 seconds. आप ये भी कह सकते हो कि मुझे तो सारा याद है स्क्वायर और मल्टीप्लिकेशन, तो आप मैंने फटाफट लिख दिया. ऐसा नहीं है. मैं आपको I will give you some amazing tricks that help you to accelerate your calculations. These tricks are very effective. Type 1. The first types of calculations. Write the square of 75. If you need to find the square of 75, you should divide these number in two parts. These number in two parts. First part is 7 and second part is 5. Write down the square of 25 is 5 is 25. The square of 5 is 25. Then you should increase 7 plus 1, that is a 8. 8 multiplied by 7. 8 into 7, that is a 56. The square of 75 is 5625. 5625. Okay? क्या करना है आपको? Write down the square of 5, that is a 25, and multiply these numbers above more than 1. इस नंबर को इसी से इंक्रीज करना है और इसी से मल्टीप्लाई करना है सेम नंबर से. ठीक है? One more example. Write down the square of 85. Square of 85. 8 plus 1, that is a 9. 8 plus 1, that is a 9. Multiply 8 into 9. 8 into 9, that is a 72. And 25. Similar methods. 85. दो parts में divide in two parts. Write down the square of 5, that is a 25. Increase this number 1, that is a 9. Multiply 8 plus 1, 9. 9 into 8, that is a 50. 72. 72. So square of this is 7225. This method is applicable only when the last digit is 5. This trick is applicable only when the last digit is 5. Also write some other example, that is square of 95. Square of 95, that is a 9. Two parts, divide in two parts. Square of 5 is 25 and increase 9. 1 increase करना है 9 में, that is a 10. Increase 1 in 9, that is a 9 plus 1 10. 9 into 10, that is a 90. The square of 95 is 9025. Okay? Take some more example. That is 55. Square of 55. Divide in two parts. Square of first part, square of 5 is 25. And second part, you write 6. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. Increase this value equal to 6. Write down into 6. So 6 into 5, 30. 3025 is the square of 55. Square of 55 is 3025. Similarly, write the square of 45. 45. Square of 45, that is divide in two parts, that is 5 ka square 25 or 1 increase 4 into 1, 4 plus 1 5, 5 into 4 that is a 20. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको लिखना ही पड़ेगा. You can multiply these types of calculations in the mind also. Remember these tricks only. The square of first number and increase this number and multiply one number, increase one in this number and multiply these. Okay. Comes in a second type question. Second type question is 97 into 93. 97 into 93. I will write the answer of this 1021. This one the answer. How can I find? You write 97 or 93. Multiply these numbers. 7 into 3. 7 into 3. That is a 21. That is 21. Okay. Increase 1 in this number. That is a 9 plus 1. That is a 10. Multiply these. 9 into 10. That is a 90. 90. Okay. This one is a 97 into 93 is 1021. 1021. Take the other example. 84 into 86. 84 into 86. So multiply this 4 into 6. 4 into 6. That is 24. Write down 24. Again, increase 1 in 8. 8 plus 1, that is a 9. So 9 into 8. Multiply. This is the 9. 9 into 8. 72. This is the 7224. 72. When you multiply 84 into 86, that is a 7224. Take more example. 74 into 76. 4 into 6, that is a 24. Add 1 increase, that is a 8. This plus 1 into 7. Same number, that is a 56. Write down 56. Okay. These types of tricks applicable only when the sum of the unit digits is 10. Sum of the unit digit is 10 and tens digit is same. It means 84 and 86 is the unit digit. This one is the tens place. Tens place or unit place. The value of tens place is same. Value of tens place is same and sum of the unit place, that is a 4 plus 6 equal to 10. When sum of the unit place is 10, then these types of tricks is applicable. You can multiply these types of through this method only when the unit place, sum of unit place equal to 10 and tens place is equal. Then you can use this type of method. यदि ये नहीं है तो you cannot use this method. Take some more example of this. You should multiply these questions and write in a comment box. Answer write in the comment box. Okay. Now I see that what is the answer? 6 into 4, that is a 24. 5, 1 increase, 5 into 4, that is a 20. 7 into 3, 21. 1 increase, that is a 9. 9 to 8, 72. 7 to 3, 21, 5 में 1 increase, then 6 into 5, that is a 30. 8 into 2, 16, 1 increase, that is a 8, 8 into 6, 7, 56. These are the answers. You can check it. I will give you some more example. Write down the 91 into 99. 81 into 89. Okay. Now you multiply these numbers. 1 into 9, that is a 9. So you don't write 9. You write here 0 or 9. You write here 0 or 9. Okay. Then you add 1 in this. Then it becomes a 10. 10 into 9, that is a 90. 9009. Again, same. 1 into 9, that is 9. Write down 09. Not a 9. 09. Because it's occupied two places. दो places पे होगा. ठीक है? Then add 1 in this. That is a 9. 9 into 8, 72. 7209. Okay? Take some more example. 21 into 29. 19 into 11. 24 into 26. 82 into 88. You can take any numbers. 52 into 58. 58. 61 into 69. You can take. These all are your homework. You can multiply and write all these answers in a comment box. Okay? If you have any problem in this video, then you comment. I will solve your problem. That's all in today's videos. If you are visiting first time in our channels, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon so you get notification every time. Thank you for watching video.